Almost got him. What's up? It's your boy back out here in this thing, baby. Yeah, we about to do another project on a good old Jeep. You know what I'm saying? Now this one here is a must-have. I haven't really seen it on a lot of Jeeps, but I thought it would be pretty dope. And yeah, when you're out there off-roading or overlanding, this will come in super handy. You know, there's a lot of videos of what you gotta have when you're out there, you know what I mean, what you must bring. This one will just be automatic, man. You ain't gotta worry about it. You already got it intact. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it and I'll show you what it do. So here's what we working with today. Yeah, boy. We finna put these bottle openers on the Jeep, baby. We're gonna install them on the bumpers, one on the front and one on the back. So a couple of tools we need. Just picked up this little thing from Harbor Freight. You know what I mean? For some big rivets. Got the drill, tap, little persuader / hammer. We're finna get it in. Yeah, those is dope. I might even put a little decal across the top or something. But yeah, now that you see what we got, let me show you where they go. So I'm checking out my rear bumper. I'm like, where's a good place? Can't put it over there. There, you gotta reach too low. But right here, oh yeah, that's a good little access point. Thinking about slapping them on like right there. Let's see, can I give it the stick? Ooh, there it is. There it is. Now, a couple of y'all might be like, well, what if you're coming off a rock and blah, 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 blah. Psh, man, ain't worry about that. Don't even try to jinx it. It's dope. You know what I mean? Plus, it ain't like it stick out. You know what I mean? I'll be Gucci. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention, well, I'll show you guys at the end a little extra about these ones exactly. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you there's a little extra added feature with these. So now let's see, where can we place these in the front? You know what I'm saying? I don't have a lot of area. Soon enough, all this metal's getting cut out, so that won't even be there. Where is this gonna fit? And since, you know, I'm the driver, I kind of went on the driver's side. And right here would be that'd be kind of tight, you know, trying to get that D-ring off. I'm thinking right up here, yeah, in between the winch, fairing, and the D-rings. Now. You making a rainbow? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. She getting her artiste on again. But yeah, I think right here will be super dope. Cause then I got clearance, you know, to take that off, and yeah, that's where that's gonna go. All right, so I'm about to mock it up and yeah, get to drilling some holes, baby.
This is Gobble Gobble Monster right here.
Lava Gobble Gobble Lava Monster?
Lava Gobble. Lava Gobble Saba.
Alright. Lava Gobble Saba Gobba.
You?
Oh man, it's starting to rain on me. Oh no.
It's okay, it's just sprinkles.
Just sprinkles. Man. Alright.
My hat.
Shall we continue? Your hat? Uh-oh. Let's see.
Thanks. Shall we continue what?
Going in. Let me see. You know what I forgot?
What?
iPro.
What did you forget? iPro.
iPro, baby.
Wait.
Yeah. All right, so now we got the holes drilled. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even have to use a punch because the Linex kind of just guided the drill bit right onto the metal and smooth on through. So now, about to use this bad boy right here. Like I said, I just picked up this big dog from Harbor Freight. I already had a rivet gun, but that only did small sizes. So this one is for the big rivets. Yeah, these are some fat boys. So, and then I like this one because once this pinches off the tails, I think it just falls right there in that little, you know, contraption right there. So easy cleanup. Get that installed, and yeah, let's go over here and get the riveting. All right, so does that fit in there?
Yes.
Looks like it should. Okay, yep, it will. All right, let me go ahead and get the bottle opener real quick.
So can I film for a little bit?
Yeah, you can. Hold it.
Hey, what's up?
All right.
Back in this thing?
Back in this thing, baby. Yeah, I mean.
I have no idea where I'm going.
Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Ready?
Yes. Oh, I thought you were gonna break it. It's snap off.
There it is.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, mommy gotta hold it up so you can see. Anyways, the little pin did fall down in here, so very nice.
Yes, it works.
Right.
It works now, baby. Works now, baby. Works
All right.
now.
You ready? Okay, make sure you're looking in there, or so you can see. Ready? We're gonna do the other one. Are you aiming it towards there?
Yep.
All right, let's get the other one in. Ugh.
Yeah. You.
Made the holes a little small.
Oh. It's a little bit.
It's gonna be snug.
You.
All right, let's see.
Ooh.
All right.
Yeah, baby.
All right.
I got a little crispy.
Is it on there? Ooh, I think he's solid.
You did it, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo.
Him's is solid. What y'all think?
Cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was easy peasy. You know what I'm saying? Lemon squeezy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're finna test that out in a minute. So we're gonna take a little pause real quick because Mother Nature is doing her thing. Yeah. So we're gonna go get a little bite to eat, and hopefully this subsides, and then get back to that front bumper. It's gonna be so dope. So now we're back after that small break. We're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy in the front bumper. We already drilled the holes out, so now let's go ahead and get the riveting. All right, so you can back up just a little bit so the folks can see what we're getting into.
This?
Yeah, buddy. We're gonna line that up. Open that bad boy. Are you looking through there? You keep moving. You gotta show the people what we're working with now. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You gotta show them what we are working with. Ooh, there it is.
Yeah, baby.
All right, one more. See if we can get it.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh. I don't know if I made this hole good enough. I'm gonna have to drill the hole out a little bit. All right, give me that back. All right.
Give me that back.
Give me that back. All right, hold on. Let me grab the drill. Got the old trusty. Make sure you're pointing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to see.
Okay, but my arm's just getting cold.
Oh. Okay, let's get in there.
What about your eye protection?
Yeah, you're right. I should have put that on, huh?
Yeah.
You should have reminded me, dude.
I didn't. I forgot.
let's see. There it is.
Woohoo!
On the count of 3, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Hopefully y'all could see some of that. My little trustee likes to be silly with the camera. Anyways, got him. You know what I'm saying? And you guys could also see how flush that is in the back. Probably use some spray paint and just real quick go ahead and get that buttoned up. But yeah, I think those are on there. Pretty solid. I like it. Oh yeah. So now when you're out on them trails overlanding, got him. All right, so we finished our mod. We got the bottle openers on the bumpers, front and back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So what better way to test and enjoy the fruits of that labor than with
root beer.
Yeah, buddy. All right. So let me show you how to do it on this one. So you take it, put it up under there, right? Yeah. And voila. And there's the magic. These are magnetic. So as soon as you do it, you ain't got to worry about trying to find the bottle cap. It stays there.
Can you do it for mine?
Come on, let's go in the front. Ain't cold?
Yeah.
All right, let's hurry up. All right. So just put it up under there.
Okay, I want you to do
Now
it.
you're going to do it with me. Oop. Hey! Boom! That's dope.
Can I drink it?
Yeah. Let me know. How is it?
Good.
Yeah, buddy. So these are the magnetic ones. So you can see those just stick right on there. So you don't have to drop them, lose them, you know, worry about trying to find them, leaving trash.
So we can clean this. So we can clean the streets.
Yeah, or keep the streets clean or the trails clean, you know what I mean? More or less, off-roading and overlanding. But yeah, can you grab that one for me? That cap under there?
Oh, yeah.
Boom. See? Easy peasy. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. So I'll show you a picture right here, somewhere in here. These are the bottle openers I got. But I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick those up if you want to. Must have, because I don't know how many times we've been out there and been like, who got the bottle opener? I mean, somebody usually does, but if it's right there, you ain't gonna ask, you just blew it up and bam, bam. So yeah, only took a few minutes, you know what I mean? Had my little trusty with me. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, you know what I mean? Trying to make this thing bigger than what it is each video. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I got a couple little more modifications I'm gonna do, and some maintenance, and then I'm off in the woods, off in the trails, off in the mountains. So if you guys want to get with your boy, just holler at me, man. Let me know what it do. You know what I'm saying? And other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. Be easy.
Yeah.
These some good root beers, huh?
Yeah.
Oh boy. And this is one of those little modifications that everyone. Want to say hi to the people?
Hi.
Why that? All right, now we got the drills. The drills. Now we got the holes drilled.
What's that?
Aim it over here. No, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. So yeah, here we go. Make sure you're holding it. Look in the back so you can make sure we good.
Yeah, they're good. Wait, what is iPro?